Court calls the case. People versus Braisha Anderson.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Sherilyn Foster Tucker on behalf of Braisha Anderson. Your Honor, I don't believe she is in the courtroom or on the Zoom. I don't have an explanation for her absence at this time.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond will be set in the amount of $5,000. I'll give a 10% privilege on that.
Your Honor.
Court calls the case. People versus Julia Blevins.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
No relation.
Sherilyn Foster Tucker on behalf of Julia Blevins.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, I did speak with her this morning that she was having some car issues, but she would be coming if Your Honor would.
What?
Passing the matter.
She was having car problems?
Yes, that is what she told me.
You believe her?
Yeah.
Of course you'd say that. Fine, I'll pass it.
Yeah.
It's probably a tire. That's what happens to all Blevins. Court calls the case. People versus Caleb Kishan.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Wait, what is that? This is not.
David I. Goldstein appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please.
Thank you.
We're asking for a final settlement. And I want to remind the court I'm not going to be here in June. So the June 5th date would not work.
Did he tell me that before? No. He does that. He says, I'll remind the court, so he thinks my memory's going. But I don't think he's told me that. Okay, what are my next dates after that? Sir, you need to take your hands out of your pockets, please.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You asked for jury final settlement, correct?
Yeah. A long time ago.
August 7th.
Jury final settlement conference, August 7th.
7th, Your Honor.
Yes, 2026 at 9 a.m. Jury selection would be August 10th, 2026 at 8:30. Go ahead.
My understanding is that the victim on this case did appear at the last FSC at the beginning of this month. Would his presence be able to be excused for the August FSC?
Yes.
Thank you.
Both of those proceedings are in person. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Joseph.
Court calls the case. Is Robert Downer.
Morning, Your Honor. Raymond Cook for the people.
Morning, Your Honor. Michael Vincent on behalf of Mr. Downey. Downer, state your name to the judge.
Robert Downer.
Thank you. Are you here alone?
Well,
do they?
They're watching me here. They're watching me.
They're watching. Okay. All right. Just want to make sure you have proper supervision. All right. What are we doing?
Need a motion date. He needs to be arraigned.
Okay.
Do we do anything?
As to the arraignment,
Stand mute, Your Honor.
defendant having waived from a reading, standing mute. Court will enter a not guilty plea today, 6. Right. And you need a motion date. What is the motion?
Excuse me.
Pardon?
What's
The nature of the motion?
tacking the blood test?
How soon will you have that motion?
Maybe towards the end of the month.
All right. The defendant's motion will be due by May 27th.
Yeah.
Prosecutor's response will be due by June 12th. I'll set a motion hearing date. What's my trial date in June?
Property is the 24th.
Hearing on the motion. And pretrial will be set for June 24th, 2026 at 9 a.m. All right. And as to bond in this case, alleged BAC.
071, there was a 3 vehicle crash, no known repairs.
Oh, give me the BAC again.
07.
And 3 vehicle crash.
Yes, Your Honor.
Defendant's bond in this case will be set as a $10,000 personal recognizance bond. I'll order standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or possession of any weapons. There's to be no use or consumption of any alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drug. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes.
You are also to report over to community corrections for placement on a sober link testing device. You're to do that within 24 hours.
Soberly. I'll tell you alcohol.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Keep going.
Court calls case People versus Byron Blair.
Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Good morning, Mayor Police Court, Your Honor. Attorney Damien KSP number 85852. Appearing on behalf of Mr. Brian Blair on one matter and
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Blair on the other.
Do I have to?
One, Mr. Brown is was adjourned.
Oh. Sit down.
okay.
All right. All right. Mr. Blair, is he here?
Is that on Zoom? Thought he was gonna be on Zoom today.
We don't have
When I spoke to him,
Blair. Okay, well, hold on a moment.
okay.
When was Mr. Brown's case adjourned to? Because I bet you I'm wondering if he received notification of that adjournment and that's why he's not here today.
Okay.
May. All right.
20th of May.
Yeah, I'll adjourn this out then to May 20th,
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
2026, 9 a.m. That way both cases are together. So I said there was last adjournment. That will be the last.
That's the final settlement. Okay, May 20th. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court does call the case of People versus Abdurrahman Banda.
Your Honor.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Mr. Bond.
Here.
Not checked in.
Banda. It's not here. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond will be set in the amount of $5,000. I'll give a 10% privilege on that.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Samantha Bright.
Your Honor, Raymond Cook for the people.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Samantha Bright.
Right behind you.
Please state your name.
Samantha Bright.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we ask the court to set this down for final settlement and jury selection.
Jury final settlement conference will be set for June 5th, 2026, 9 a.m. Jury selection, June 8th, 2026, 8:30. Is there a,
Your Honor, there's a violation.
is there? Okay, in terms of the dates, both of those proceedings are in person. Let me see the bond violation. Do I have a copy?
You should.
Is there a particular place they're putting these now in the file? I know, I got it.
Approach and get it top, Your Honor.
You don't have a copy of it?
Well,
Okay.
You have these positive.
Yes, Your Honor, I have a copy dated April 20th, 2026.
Yes.
Your Honor, she would admit to the violation.
She admits to the violations.
But Your Honor, she relapsed. She was going through some very, very serious things. Since, go ahead. Tim.
Oh, I was a very heavy alcoholic, and those first few days were extremely difficult on me, and I relapsed. I'm sorry, and I didn't think I was going to be able to afford everything that I just thought. I felt hopeless. I apologize. I know that doesn't mean anything, but since then I have not touched alcohol, and I feel a lot better, personally, physically, and mentally.
Are you in any type of treatment?
No, Your Honor.
We've discussed it, Your Honor. Would it be possible to put her on a scram?
I'm not going to do that at this point. Gonna have to set up gonna have to get something set up for her because she didn't make it and she was rather high through 2 days. High BAC through 2 days.
I did share this with her and we talked about it at length.
Get that information about where she's going to go into, but at this point, if you put something together, then I'll consider a method by which she might be on a scram tether or a sober link. But at this point, bond is revoked, defendant remanded.
He's putting me in jail.
I told you
You
he
can go with my bailiff.
wants me to put together.
Ma'am,
Okay.
you go now.
Yes.
Court calls case, People versus Carla Bristow.
Ron Brown appearing on behalf of Carla Bristow. Your Honor, did you receive a plea form
I did.
to a retail fraud third?
Oh, hold on a moment. Ms. Bristow, can you state your name, please?
Carla Bristow.
I have a plea form that indicates that the defendant will be pleading to retail fraud third. Is that as charged?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we'll be pleading as charged. That's a 93-day offense. That's the court's full understanding of her plea.
Your Honor, that is the correct recitation of the plea. I did want to confirm there is one additional pending. It looks like retail fraud in our warrant queue. I tried to communicate that to Mr. Brown. I was unable to make personal contact with Mr. Brown. I spoke to the associate at the front of the PD's office here and I passed along a message. I don't know if that was passed along, that this would not impact the charging decision on that case, but there may be another charge forthcoming. I don't know. Ms. Bristow wants trying to talk to us. I want to make sure that was clear before taking this plea and that was communicated to her.
Based on this new information, I'd like an adjournment, get discovery on that, or once it's processed and with her and talk to the prosecutor.
Would you be able to have everything before the 20th, you think? Or
I will try and find a way to make that happen.
adjourn this to May 20th, 2026, 9 a.m.
We're adjourning the case because there's another case coming down on that one.
Thank you. Bond will continue. Court calls the case People versus Corrida Bryant.
Morning, Your Honor. Raven.
And Assistant Public Defendant Nick Bukovich on behalf of Ms. Bryant, who should be hearing via Zoom. Ms.
Wait,
Bryant, can you state your name?
Oh, go ahead.
Ms. Bryant, can you please state your name for the record?
Okay, you muted yourself. You are unmuted.
Corrida Bryant.
Thank you.
At this time, Your Honor, I'll be requesting an adjournment to obtain some additional media discovery.
Adjourn your matter out May 20th, 2026, 9 a.m. Bond continued. Thank you, ma'am.